Hi, welcome to the second part of the video, the lecture for learning Adobe Illustrator. In the previous part, I told you about the pen tool and the curvature tool. There is also a pen tool with something around nature of the pen. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about the text type tool, the writing thing, the font thing that we do in the designing is going to be on this path, on this tool and everywhere. So if you press it and then click anywhere on the artboard, we can just start writing anything on the key on the artboard. And if we deselect this tool, the process is complete for typing. And then we can, here is the corrected properties over here. If you don't see anything over here, then you can go on this tab and just check this corrector thing from the drop down menu. So if we click it, we get this thing. Here we can increase the size of the text. Here we can do the text modifications that the font family has, bold, and here we can select different fonts for the writing we have done. In addition to the type tool, there are many options over here. So if now we're coming to the next level of the type tool, that's area type tool. So we have a box over here, we have an area over here. So we have selected the area tool, and then we come here and click on the path of this area. So now we are making sure that the text, whatever we write, is going to stay inside this area. So if I write, I'm going to write something that can go outside. No, this is not possible. So if you copy it, Control A, Control C, and then pressing Control V, it will stay inside this box. We have a lot of more text going on and on. So, but how much area we have is going to stay inside this. The next thing is type on the path tool. So as we made, I'm just taking it outside the artboard, and this one too. As we made with the earlier one, we are making this spiral kind of thing. Okay, I've deselected this tool. Now I'm selecting type on the path tool. Or to make it more easy, I'm gonna change the fill color to the stroke color. So pressing this, selecting this tool and pressing on the line. Now if I write, I am going to write something on it, and it will go with the path wherever it is going. So this is a cool thing that we can do in Adobe Illustrator. So it will go with the path, again, and it's cool. So this one is the third tool. Now vertical type tool, as the name describes, whatever we write is going to be vertical, like verticle, vertical. The simple tool. The next tool is vertical area type tool. That's the same thing as this was, but if we make another area, taking this out from the artboard and this one too, and making this area and selecting this anchor point, bringing it over here, a little space for the text, and now we select vertical area type tool and press OK. So it is going to be on the vertical path like this. Again, a little handy and cool thing to do. The next thing is vertical type on a path tool. So we need a path for it. So I'm going to have a path like this. Here's the path, changing the color to it, and then selecting the vertical type on the path tool, clicking on the path. So here is the writing going on the same path with a different tool. I don't know where we need this, but whenever we do, we will have it in Adobe Illustrator. So this is again a cool tool. I have actually never used this before, but maybe somewhere it is used. And the sixth is touch type tool. So I'm going to leave it. So this video covered the pen tool, then add anchor point to any of the point in any shape, and then deleting any anchor point that we don't need. Next to it was the curvature tool that has a pen with some round going lines, and then I told you about the text type tool and 1 2 3 4 5 6 different types of it. I hope this has been informative for you. Thank you very much for watching it, and if you find it informative, please let me know. And if you need any changes, if you want to comment on anything, or if you got any better options for it, please leave some comments so I can know it better and I can reply you. Thank you very much for watching. Here is my channel. Please subscribe to it. Have a good day. Bye bye.